In this video, we will go over the process of installing Microsoft 365 on Mac OS. If you're a Windows user, you can find instructions for installing M365 linked in the video description below. First, you'll want to open a web browser. I'm using Safari here. Then, navigate to portal.office.com and get signed in with your Southeastern account. Once loaded, you'll click Apps, All Apps at the top, then Install Apps in the top right-hand corner. Click Microsoft 365 Apps. Then you'll press the little button near the top that says Install Office. This process may take some time, so feel free to take a break. Once the download is finished, you'll open your downloads and run the PKG file. Continue through the prompts. You'll then be asked to provide your administrator password. This process will also take quite a bit of time. Once the installer completes, you can now begin using Microsoft 365. Your installation is now complete. If you run into any issues or have any questions, please let us know.